Hello friends, welcome back to Garajavan. If you are new to Garajavan, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Today I will be making a dry fish curry using mackerel fish. There are few varieties of fish which are salted and sun-dried for use when fishing is not in season. This recipe includes mackerel dry fish along with raw mango and jackfruit seeds, which is a special coastal preparation with an amalgamation of spiciness and tangy flavor. I love the combination of the tangy flavor of raw mango along with the jackfruit seeds and the dry fish in the coconut gravy. The curry has to be rested for a while so that the gravy absorbs the wonderful flavors of the fish and the raw mangoes. Let's clean the mackerel dry fish. I have taken around 6 medium-sized mackerel. Clean the mackerel, remove the head. I'll be also cutting the posterior and the dorsal fins and the tail, and also will be cleaning the stomach area of the fish. Now soak the fish in warm water. This will soften the meat of the fish. So I have soaked the fish nearly 15 to 20 minutes. Rub the fish gently and clean the stomach region. Remember that you also need to wash the fish well 3 to 4 times so that we can remove excess of salt and dirt from the fish. Now here you can see that the fish is clean. I'm cutting the fish into 2 to 3 pieces. Since the fish meat have been softened, it is very easy to cut them. After cutting the fish, I am going to soak it again in warm water and keeping it aside for some time. Meanwhile, let's pressure cook the jackfruit seeds. I have taken around 20 to 25 jackfruit seeds. You can see these jackfruit seeds need to be dried. So these are the ones what I'm going to use, which are dried for around 3 to 5 days. The skin can be easily peeled off. Peel off the skin of the jackfruit seeds. If the jackfruit skin is not getting peeled off easily, you can cut the jackfruit seed into half and then it is easy to peel it off. Now here I am cutting the jackfruit seeds. See that you do not dry the jackfruit seeds completely since they get harder. If you want to use them for making curry, you can use it within 1 week of time. Now I will be pressure cooking the jackfruit seeds. Transfer the jackfruit seeds to pressure cooker, add enough of water. Add a little of salt and pressure cook it for 2 whistles only. I will be using around 8 slices of raw mango. Next, for making the curry, we need to make coconut masala paste. Please note the ingredients required for making the masala paste. You need onion, garlic cloves, grated coconut turmeric powder, coriander seeds, mustard seeds, black peppercorn, tamarind, ajwain and jeera. I'm using Guntur red chili. Here you can see I have taken 8 slices of raw mango. Now we will be roasting the whole spices. Heat a little of coconut oil. Roast all the whole spices under moderate heat for few seconds. Now I'll be adding the garlic and the onion. Roast it for few seconds. Add the grated coconut. Roast the grated coconut until you get the pleasant aroma. I have been roasting the coconut from the past 1 minute. So you can see it has given a lovely light brown color. This gives a very delicious flavor to the curry. Cool all the contents and transfer it to the mixer jar. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, marble sized tamarind, add adequate water and grind it to smooth fine paste. So here you can see the coconut masala paste ready. Now let's begin to make the curry. Here firstly I'll be frying onion. I have taken one medium sized onion finely chopped. I'm going to fry the onions until it is turned light brown in color. For frying the onions I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Here you can see the onions have turned light brown. Now I'll be adding the dry mackerel pieces. Stir fry it for a minute or two. Now I'll be adding the ground coconut masala paste. Add water from the leftover masala from the mixer jar. See that you do not dilute the gravy. Gently mix the gravy. Adjust salt as per your requirement. Now I'll be also adding the pressure cooked jackfruit seeds. The gravy need to get boiled and cooked well. I have set the heat at moderate flame. The gravy has started to boil. Now I'll be adding the raw mango slices, followed by 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 2 to 3 slit green chilies. Adding the grated ginger and green chili enhances the flavor of the gravy. Cook the gravy for another 2 to 3 minutes and here is your delicious dry mackerel curry with raw mango and jackfruit seed ready. This curry tastes still more better after keeping it aside for some time. This curry can be best enjoyed with red boiled rice. You can also have it with idli. Even having along with neer dosa, it will be a wonderful combination. I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. Please do try making it once and let me know your views in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe to Garajavan. Thank you for watching Garajavan. I'll be coming with yet another delicious recipe. Happy cooking. Bye.